Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see in front of me, I have a mail call here. This one's pretty special. Been very intermittently putting together the Morgan collection. Definitely did not have any plans on getting this Morgan anytime soon. It is more of an expensive one, so really wasn't looking at it too much. I've been focusing more on the proof type set. Luckily, I did have a Carson City Morgan that caught the eye of one of my buddies on Facebook, and he kind of just had to have it along with one of my half cents and a piece of gold. Yeah, 1/10 ounce of gold. Yeah, so really happy with it. You know, he showed it to me, asked me if I had any interest in it. And I'm sorry for any noise. I'm outside and it is starting to rain. So I'm gonna try and wrap this up pretty quickly, but let's go ahead and get into it. Yeah, like I was saying, he sent me a message, said he had just gotten it, and asked me if I had any interest in it. And of course, I love Morgans, absolutely love Morgans, and yeah, it's coming down now. All right, let's hurry up. Of course, I was interested in it. So, like I said, he liked my Carson City. Really sorry about that. Just gonna go ahead and show you guys and end up ending the video pretty quickly. $1895S. What's interesting, I actually sold my 1895O last night. It was a details coin. I'm going to be looking for a straight grade pretty soon. Let's take this out of the plastic. Kind of seems every now and then I do find some of the nicer Morgans. I had the 1894 just kind of fall into my lap, and then here's this 1895. So I'm not complaining. I absolutely love these. Even in, what's this, XF45, still love the coin. I think the next jump up from this is like $2,000. So yeah, I'll definitely take it. But thank you all for coming, and I greatly appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next one.